So, yeah, let's go for our first goal, which is to understand the different assumptions made and method used when analyzing frames and machines. So now we move on to analysis of frames and machines. So before we start the discussion about the analysis of frames and machines, syempre, it is worthy to know first what is the definition of frame and what is the definition of machine. So let's start with the definition of frame. So by definition, frames are fully constrained structures containing multiforce members that are used to support loads. These multiforce members may be connected by rigid or flexible connections. So ang frames usually fully constrained siya and stationary. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya gumagalaw, stationary lang siya. And usually, it is composed of multiforce members. So when we say multiforce members, member siya na ang dala-dala niya ay multiple force, kaya nga multi. Sabihin, three or more forces usually yung dinadala ng mga members ng isang frame. And most of the time, ang purpose ng frame is to support loads. And then yung mga connections ng mga members niya ng isang frame, usually rigid or fixed connection. Pero minsan, pwede rin namang pin or hinge connection. Yung flexible na yan. Flexible ibig sabihin, pin or hinge. So, pwede rin pin or hinge connection yung connection ng mga members niya. Or pwede rin naman na combination ng rigid and flexible connection. So, pwedeng fixed connection yung isang part ng member niya or yung isang connection ng mga members ng isang frame, pwedeng ganon. And then yung ibang parts, connected sila using pin or hinge connection. Kumbaga, combination itong dalawa. So, isang example ng frame in real life ay itong post na to. So, this post is composed of two members. Itong member na to, itong member na to, and they are connected rigidly. Ito, fixed connection sila dito sa point na to. Ibig sabihin, if we separate this member with this member, may lalabas na internal forces, dalawang forces, vertical or horizontal, for example, tsaka isang moment, as well as yung connection din ng buong structure dito sa support niya na pedestal, rigid din. Ibig sabihin, ganun din, pag dinisconnect mo yung structure dyan or itong member na to from being connected to this support, pedestal support, may lalabas na horizontal, vertical, tsaka moment. And yung mga forces na yun, it restrains the movement of the structure along this direction, and the tendency to rotate about this base. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung post natin, may mga dala-dala siyang load. And ilan yung load na yun? Again, multi-force member yung mga member ng frame. So you can expect most of the time, yung mga member niya, three or more yung dala-dala na forces. Just like this one. Bilang natin kung ilan yung forces na dala ng members na to or member na to. 1, 2, 3 at this point, and another at this point. Actually, meron pa yan banda dito. Medyo naputo lang yung picture. So that is an example of frame in real life. Actually, ito, picture to sa may luneta to eh. Kung napapansin nyo lang, kung familiar sa inyo yung background, sa may luneta yan eh. Next is machine. So ano naman yung machines? These are structures that may or may not be stationary, containing multiple moving members, and are designed to transmit and alter the effect of forces or to transform input forces to output forces. So ano naman yung kaibahan ng machine sa frame? Ang frame, most of the time, stationary. Ang machine, pwedeng stationary siya or pwede rin hindi. Pero most of the time, hindi to stationary, movable. It contains movable parts. Ayan. Multiforce members din yung mga members ng machine. Pero unlike sa frame na stationary lang, yung parts nitong machine, most of the time, movable, gumagalaw. And ang ginagawa nitong mga members na 'to ng isang machine or ang ginagawa ng machine as a whole is, tina-transform niya yung tinatawag natin na input forces into output forces. Ibig sabihin lang nun, it alter the effect of the forces you apply at this machine. Kino-convert niya yung in-apply mo na force, which is the input force, into another kind of force, which is the output force. So, in uh, real life example ng machine ay simpleng-simple na lang. Itong plier na 'to, actually yung machine inaaralan natin 'to nung elementary tayo, di ba? Kung naalala niyo pa. So dito sa plier na 'to, ano bang ginagawa nitong plier na 'to, bakit siya naging machine? Kasi yung input force, yung force na ina-apply nitong kamay dito sa handle ng plier, yung input force niya na yan, kino-convert niya into a larger force pa acting on this jaw ng plier. So kumbaga, kahit na mahina lang yung in-apply na force dito na kumbaga napapalakas siya nitong machine, natatransform ng machine na to, na plier na to, yung maliit na input force na yan into a larger output force acting on this jaw. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung direction ng dito, yung direction ng input force is pag ganito, pero pagdating niya dito sa jaw, na-transform yung input force na yan a into an output force na parang pa-vertical na yung direction. So, ganun usually yung ginagawa ng mga machine. Ina-alter niya yung effect ng isang input force into an output force. And again, most of the time, it contains movable parts, just like yung mga parts na itong plier na ito. Kung na-imagine nyo naman na move yan yung mga part niyang plier.
Are you still looking at me?